the Buddha taught, many different kind of ways of meditation. But what I would recommend for someone who's just beginning is to tune in and listen to guided meditations. Unfortunately, nowadays, that's very easy to do. So to, get online and listen to different people, different teachers offering meditation guidance. And you'll have many different experiences of trying out different ways of paying attention. I'd also recommend to actually try and do retreat. I don't know how possible that is for people here and there nowadays, but there are opportunities to take oneself and go to a retreat center or a monastery and to be with others who are meditating and to learn more about meditation in a very kind of suitable, protected environment, peaceful environment. So if you have any opportunity to take some time out, go do a retreat and learn about meditation in a good and structured way where you can really give time and attention to learning how to meditate. The other thing I would say, just as a very simple instruction for right now and for a daily practice, is to make time every day. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, as long as you can, really, morning and evening, if possible, to actually sit in a quiet place, set a clock, and make a determination that you're not going to do anything else for that period of time. And to get into the habit, get into the routine of meditating each day in this way, and to simply sit and allow the attention, encourage the attention, bring the attention to the breath. So noticing the breath, noticing where the breath is felt, and just really getting interested in observing the process of breathing, natural breathing. Like, we don't make it any different. We're not trying to breathe in a certain way, just observing what's already happening quite naturally without any kind of action on our part. So that is a wonderful object of meditation, and almost, I think, probably the commonest technique or method that was given by the Buddha, anapanasati, to observe the in and out breath, mindfulness of breathing. So those are just a few words, and I hope they can be helpful for you. And I really wish you well with your meditation, and would just encourage everyone to give all the time you can to meditation practice, because the benefits are impossible to overstate.